Morning guys, Jessi with Hometown Homestead. So Trent's off today, but he took Ethan to go fix up the rest of his grandma's place. They're almost done and they're gonna try and sell it. So me and Henry are just doing chores. We got some lambs to feed and a couple cows. We got Nora and Chloe. Nora's our dairy cow. She's a Jersey and a Swedish Red Cross. And her calf that she had in July is George. And then we have Chloe, who is our beef cow. She's our Hereford, and she's about, she'll be a year and a half in December. So, but we got them, and then we have our bottle babies for our lambs. And bottle babies are, ones that the moms didn't take to them, or, they had a bad, they didn't have enough milk, or maybe they were a triplet or something. So we have quite a few of those from the spring. And then we bought 15 Targy ewes. Henry's playing on the ice out there. And so we brought all of them home. We've had them at our neighbors for the last couple months. Well, a month for the ewes. We just bought them. But now we're feeding them, and we're going to get ready to either sell them or butcher them. The lambs. And then we are about to breed our turkeys. So they will be bred about around November 20th with our ram named Lucky, which I told you guys the other day. He's not so lucky though. He's been getting his head stuck in the fence panels that we put up. We put up cattle panels, and we made a little corral inside our other corral for the cows. But, he wants to be with us friends. So we keep having to cut him out. But hopefully he'll get the hang of it and maybe just go through the cutouts so he can just hang out with them. But anyways, he will be breeding around November 20th. And so it's a 5-month gestation for the sheep. So we're looking at end of April, mid-April or so. So that'll be nice for us because we have spring storms. They can get pretty bad even up till that time, but it's gonna be cold. But hopefully not as much later on like that for our first time lambing. So we get alright, so we'll just do some chores and you guys can check it out, what we do. George, out. Come on, George. Out. George. So we're feeding third cutting alfalfa with our first cutting, which is mainly just grass. The alfalfa's helping keeping the weight on Nora because she's feeding her baby, and it's helping putting weight on Chloe so we can have some beef for the freezer. feeding them alfalfa pellets. Nice and fat and happy. They're just what we found at our local feed store. We have runnings. I don't know if you guys do. But it's a great store. What, buddy?
Are you on the video?
I am videoing. Oh, you want to say hi? Hi. Okay, can you put this? Oh, there. Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Come on, move. It's my old football.
Yeah.
I've seen it for a really long time. Have you? Yeah. Simple boy.
You get the latch for this gate.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah?
What? My boots are good for collecting snow.
Oh.
They kind of over there. I mean, ice.
Okay, kind of.
Cause when I was over there, with my boots on, I got it. I hit it on the ice, and it cracked open.
Yeah?
Like cracked open, clack, clack, clacky open. Okay. I'm a gator. Look at that. Mommy, look! I see that. I'm sitting on her.
Yeah. Jump.
You must have got out.
Come on, I got Peter.
Yeah, yeah.
Henry. No, be nice.
Come on.
Watch out, Pete. Ah. Push Trent. Oops. Where are they? You can tell these are our bottle babies because they don't mind being around us. Oh, you're... A couple of the babies are trying to come in. We have another sheep here for outside that we haven't gotten brought over. They will hurt each other. They'll trample each other. Okay? They're very careful. Can you stay over here? Come over here. Okay. Can you stay in the corner for me? Thank you. Your job is to keep the cage. Okay? But if they're coming in here, we'll get another bale in here. We've been feeding them on the ground outside, but they're wasting a lot. We got from those large squares we bought 2 weeks ago. That's good alfalfa too. What?
Working?
What's not working?
For Bill?
No, sparrows are working, but if they're coming in here, I want them to eat. So, that.
Why is that? Why is it horse food?
I don't know what it is, but they love our hay.
And they love the horse feed.
They love the horse. Oh yeah, because it's got horses on it.
Huh?
Oh, where's the picture? Okay.
But that's your sheep.
Yep, sheep like it, goats like it, cows like it. It's for everybody. Anyway,
Even
gotta
goats.
make sure we fill up our vitamins for them.
Can I get up there for a second? I want to get my football. Football. Can I get my football up there? Yes. Look.
It's another reason why we had to separate the cows and the sheep. Because sheep do not do copper, and cows do. So, we didn't want to be mixing any minerals. If they get too much copper, the sheep will die. Alright. Henry's starting to love feeding time. Now with the snow, he just comes out and makes forts. It snowed the other day, so now it's a mucky mess. And until we get some sheep sold, butchered, we just kind of got a disaster. But today we'll get our feeder for the sheep brought over. It's in the front field. But Trent had the baler hooked up, and I didn't know where the jack was for it and everything. So you're just wasting all their good hay. I don't know if you guys can see the bale. Can you guys see the bale? Yeah, a little bit here. So if you guys have never used the large square bales, they just peel off. So I think I opened up this one yesterday. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. Works good. Just want to get stuck. Alright guys, that's about it. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to feed them a little bit today because we're going to bring up that big feeder in a few hours, so it'll be fine. Better not to waste any more. But yeah, then we'll bring over our stock tank too. Because we had it on the far end. We were just letting them empty it this week. So we'll have it closer between the two. And then we can both drink off because we'll put it in the middle of the fence. So we're ready to go. Alright, thanks for following along. See you guys next time. If you liked us, be sure to subscribe. And hopefully we'll start posting more videos again. Thanks. Bye.